Newton's law of gravitation. Welcome to the online classes. Now we are discussing the topic of gravitation. First, we have to describe Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation says that every object, there are two objects in the universe. One object, one is this, and object two is this. And this is point objects. And this object have mass m1, and this object have mass m. They are placed at a distance of d. The distance between the two objects is d. Any two masses which are placed in a universe always attract to each other. This is the law of gravitation. It means if two objects are placed in anywhere in the space, then a gravitational force is acting on between them, and the direction of universal gravitational constant is along the line joining of masses. This is object number 1 and this is object number 2. This is the force on 1 due to 2 and this is force on 2 due to 1. This is the, and this law says that, Newton says that this force, here we can say that F12 is equal to F21 and this is equal to F. It means the magnitude of both the forces will be equal and but in opposite in direction, and this force magnitude is directly proportional to product of two masses, and this force is directly proportional to square of the distance. If we combining together m1 m2 upon d square, it means F is equal to g m1 m2 upon d square. This is the formula. We have to remember this formula. Newton's law of gravitation says that the force acting between the two masses, 2-point object, these are the point mass, is directly proportional to the magnitude of the product of the masses and in square of the distance, and inversely proportional to the square of distance. If we are combining together, and the formula becomes F is equal to g m1 m2 upon r square. Here we can say that this force is always attractive. First basic property is that force is attractive in nature. Force is always attractive in nature. Second, magnitude of force will be same in both the point mass, but direction is opposite. Third point says that this force is never affected with the medium. This force is not affected with medium. This force is not affected with medium. And force is that this formula is only valid for point mass, only valid for point mass. These are the basic points we have to remember that related to the Newton's law of gravitation. Here the value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton into meter square upon kg square, and this G says that universal gravitational constant. We have to remember this formula also. And here we can see that the homework is that you have to remember the Newton's law of gravitational, write its formula. After that, write its basic things which are important for us, and write the value of capital G, and this is called the universal gravitational constant, and its value is this. This is whole law of this whole is says the law of gravitation. So you have to remember and write the basic formula and prove and remembering this formula also, and the basic features which is related to the universal gravitational constant.